Year 2021 is turning out to be a blockbuster year for the primary markets. From new age IPOs to phenomenal returns, it truly has been an explosive year. Here's a quick look at the IPO action in 2021. Over 1 lakh crore has been raised via IPOs this year so far, which has been a massive threefold increase over 2020. Next is where the money went. While in 2020, only 12% of the IPO funds went to the companies and the rest went to the selling shareholders, in 2021, nearly 40% of the funds went to the companies who are expected to use the money towards expansion, growth as well as retirement of debt. Let's run through the list of the biggest IPOs. Paytm tops the chart here with its 18,300 crore IPO. That is followed by Zomato with its 9,375 crore IPO. And finally, we have PB Fintech with its 5,708 crore IPO. Speaking about investor interest in these IPOs, Paras Defense IPO was subscribed 214 times. That was followed by MTA Tech, which was 138 times. And finally, Tattva Chintan Pharma with 124 times subscription. Overall, in 2021, 28 IPOs were subscribed over 10 times. 5 IPOs were subscribed over 3 times. And about 9 IPOs were subscribed between 1 and 3 times. What about the day 1 listing gains? Paras Defense tops the list here again with a listing gain of 185% on the first day, followed by Tattva Chintan Pharma with 113% gains, and then finally Indigo Paints also doubled the money for its investors on day 1. Beyond the listing day gains, which are the IPOs which are still the best performing from the issue price? Paras Defense so far has given returns of about 360%. That is followed by Nureka with 356% returns, and finally Barbecue Nation with about 250% returns so far. So it has been a blockbuster year so far, but as they say, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. That's because another 68 companies are lined up to raise over 1 lakh crore already. Besides this one, the big one would be the mega LIC IPO, which aims to raise about 70,000 crore rupees for the government.